Okay, the next job is we're going to change these link bar bushes. As you can see, they're very perished. Okay, so that's those things. This is on the front suspension. So let's get started. Okay, first job, let's undo the top of the link. Okay, that's the top one off, and now we'll get the bottom one off. Okay, so these are the new parts we're using, guys. So these are a pair of the upper bushes for the link bar, and these are for these go together like so. That goes at the bottom of the link bar. There's a new washer and a nut. Right, so that's the new bushes in, and let's just tighten them up. Got to compress those new bushes down. So we'll just start that off for the moment, and then we'll put that bottom bolt in now. There we go. So that's one side of the anti-roll bar link complete. Now we've got the other side to do.